We're going to take a closer look at the Gallery Sprocket. Diana, could you show us a little bit more about what that can do?
Sure. The Gallery Sprocket is a nice sprocket to use when you want to showcase some content. So let me go ahead and show you how to add a Gallery Sprocket. And you'll see that here I'm going to allow it to go full width, 100%. And I'll go in to show you the settings. And here I've opted not to have the headline. And so that way it's nice and clean. It's just the image.
But you still have to have a title for it, right?
But yeah, so internally you need to put a title so you know what it is. You can identify it.
Yeah, so it can be somehow listed. Okay.
It won't be the mystery sprocket. And then I just have sort of standard filters for the content. And here, right now, you can see that it's set to 5. But actually, you can have from 2 to 6 items.
So you have to have at least 2, right?
At least 2.
So, or it wouldn't be a gallery.
Yeah, it wouldn't really be much of a gallery. So here, I'll set it to 2 just so you can see how the Gallery Sprocket layout sort of goes changing depending on the number of items that you select. So here is how it looks with 2 items. I could go in and change it to 3. So here, let me change that to 3. So just to show you quickly how it looks. What's nice is that it's designed to always balance the images. So it gets a little trickier with the odd numbers. 4 is, of course, a really nice balanced number. And it makes a nice gallery because all of the images on 4 are sort of balanced. Like they all equally occupy the same amount of space.
In a perfect world, that would be nice. But
yeah,
you're every now and then, you're going to have the odd number of items in the gallery.
Yes. Let me show you 5.
That looks really neat.
Yeah, and there's never a little element just sort of hanging off by itself on the end. Let me just quickly show you 6 items.
Okay.
Nice and even, 6. What I wanted to show you next is what does the gallery do when it's not at 100%? So here I want to put in, let's say I want to put in an ad next to a gallery. So
well, a lot of sites have ads on the right side. That would be a good thing to show.
So let me put in an ad. So you see here, it defaults to 100%, but since I wanted to tuck it in next to the gallery, I've set the gallery to occupy 2/3 of the space, and then I've set the MPU to take up 1/3 of the space. Let's save that, and let me just show you how the gallery responds to its new size.
Oh, wow. That's really smart. So now it kind of highlights one big one at the top. It's stretched out a bit and looks really neat. And then you have the 2 by 2 underneath that.
Yeah. So there again, because we have an odd number, we treat one a little bit differently to basically even out the space that the whole Gallery Sprocket takes up.
Wow, that's awesome. Diana, thank you very much for showing us that. And everyone, thank you very much for joining us. And stay tuned as we'll have more episodes on the other sprockets that we have to offer.